In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. Keeping Illustrator updated is extremely important because updates include new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches that keep your software running smoothly. Whether you're a graphic designer, illustrator, or just getting started, making sure you're on the latest version helps avoid crashes and compatibility issues. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Adobe tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. You can do this from your desktop shortcut, your taskbar, or by searching for Illustrator in your system search bar. Once Illustrator launches and the main interface appears, you're ready for the next step. Make sure the application is fully loaded before continuing so the menu options display properly at the top of your screen. Now, go to the top menu bar and click on Help. This is located alongside the other menu options like File, Edit, Object, and Type. When you click on Help, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down list, look for the option that says Updates and click on it. This tells Adobe Illustrator to check for any available updates through the Adobe Creative Cloud update utility. As soon as you click Updates, the Adobe Update utility will open. In most cases, this opens the Creative Cloud desktop app automatically. The app will check your installed Adobe applications and display whether an update is available for Illustrator. If your software is already up to date, it will clearly say so. But if there is a newer version available, you'll see an Update button next to Adobe Illustrator. If an update is available, go ahead and click the Update button. The download and installation process will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a few minutes. During this time, avoid closing the Creative Cloud app or shutting down your computer to prevent any installation errors. You can monitor the progress directly inside the Creative Cloud window, where you'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the update has completed. Once the installation finishes, you may be prompted to restart Adobe Illustrator. If you see a prompt asking you to close and reopen the application, go ahead and do that. Restarting ensures that all new features, improvements, and fixes are properly applied. After reopening Illustrator, you'll now be running the latest version available. And that's it. That's how you update Adobe Illustrator quickly and safely using the built-in update feature. Keeping your software updated ensures better performance, access to the newest tools, and improved stability for all your design projects. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.